Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create your first subscriber group and build a sign-up form in MailerLite, the two foundational moves you need to make before a single email address can land in your account and start working for your business. MailerLite has earned its reputation as one of the most approachable email marketing platforms available today, offering a clean, intuitive interface and a surprisingly powerful free tier that makes it ideal whether you're a solopreneur launching your first newsletter or a small business ready to turn website visitors into loyal paying customers. If this kind of practical walkthrough is useful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps more people find this channel, and we publish new step-by-step tutorials every week. Alright, let's get into it. The very first thing you want to do before you collect a single email address is create a subscriber group. Think of groups as labeled folders that let you organize your contacts based on how they found you, what they're interested in, or where they are in your customer journey. Without groups in place from the beginning, you'd have no meaningful way to segment your audience later, and segmentation is what separates a generic broadcast that gets ignored from a targeted, relevant message that actually converts. To create a group, head over to the Subscribers tab in your MailerLite dashboard, which you'll find in the left-hand navigation menu. Once you're inside, click on Groups, then hit the Create Group button. You'll be prompted to give the group a name, and this decision deserves a little thought. Something descriptive like newsletter subscribers, lead magnet opt-ins, or website visitors June 2026 tells you at a glance exactly who lives in that group, which becomes invaluable as your list grows. A very common beginner mistake is creating a single catch-all group called something like My List, but resist that temptation. Building clear, purposeful groups from day one means you'll be able to send the right message to the right people the moment your list is large enough to start segmenting without having to go back and untangle a pile of disorganized contacts. With your group created and named, you're ready for the step that actually feeds people into it: building a sign-up form. This is the front door of your email list, the place where a curious visitor makes the decision to give you their email address, and it deserves your full care and attention. To get started, navigate to the Forms tab in your MailerLite dashboard. You'll immediately see two primary options, and choosing the right one depends on how and where you want to capture leads. An embedded form gives you a snippet of code that you drop directly into your website, perfect for a sidebar, the footer of a blog post, or the bottom of a landing page, anywhere a visitor might be browsing and decide they'd like to stay in touch. A pop-up, on the other hand, appears automatically after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on the page, scrolled a certain percentage, or is about to leave. And while pop-ups can feel intrusive when overused, data consistently shows they outperform passive embedded forms when it comes to raw conversion rates. Choose the format that makes the most sense for your website and your audience, and remember you can always create multiple forms for different placements and run your own informal test over a few weeks to see which pulls better. Once you've selected your form type, the next action, and this is one people skip all the time, is to link the form to the subscriber group you created in step 1. In the form settings, there will be a drop-down where you assign a group. When you connect the form to a group, MailerLite knows exactly where to file each new contact who opts in automatically and instantly. If you leave this unset, your new subscribers can end up as unorganized contacts floating loose in your account, which becomes a real mess to clean up later. Always confirm this connection before you move on to design. Now you're in the drag and drop editor, which is where MailerLite genuinely shines for people who are new to email marketing. You can add text blocks, images, input fields, and call to action buttons without writing a single line of code. The design doesn't need to be elaborate, but your copy absolutely needs to answer the one question every visitor is silently asking: what's in it for me? A form that simply says subscribe to our newsletter is a genuinely hard sell in an era when everyone's inbox is already crowded. A form that says get 10% off your first purchase and be the first to know about exclusive deals gives someone a concrete, compelling reason to hand over their email address. Lead with the benefit, keep the form short. First name and email is almost always enough, and write your call to action button text to be specific and active. Get my discount or send me the free guide consistently outperforms a generic submit or sign up. When your design looks the way you want it and your copy is sharp, hit publish. MailerLite will generate an embed code, a small block of HTML, that you paste into your website's source, either site-wide in the header or specifically on the pages where you want the form to appear. If you're running a WordPress site, there are dedicated plugins that make this even more straightforward with no manual code required. Once you've pasted in the code and saved, visit your actual website to confirm the form appears exactly where you intended, and check it on a mobile device as well. More than half of all web browsing happens on smartphones today, so a form that breaks on a small screen is actively costing you subscribers. And with that, you've built the complete infrastructure for a real organized email list. You have a clearly named subscriber group, and you have a live sign-up form routing new leads directly into it the moment someone opts in. From here, the most powerful next step is to set up a welcome automation inside MailerLite. A single automatic email that fires the instant someone joins your list, delivering whatever you promised them and introducing who you are. That first automated message sets the tone for the entire relationship, and it's well worth investing time to get it right. Save this video to come back to these steps whenever you need a quick refresher, and I'll see you in the very next tutorial.